Guys, this is Vamsi. One of my viewer commented on my video that he is getting an error called failed driver on intel-haxm installation. Means he is getting that haxm is not installing onto his system. So let me show you the error that he is getting. So this is the error that he is getting. This computer does not support Intel execute disable bit XD, or it is disabled in the OS. Haxm cannot be installed. Please refer to the Intel Haxm documents for more. So I have watched many videos on the YouTube and referred to many documents. Thus, there is no solution for this, but I found the solution on myself, and I'm going to explain the real problem. What after reading many articles, I have realized what is the real problem, what is conflicting the emulator in Android Studio and all those stuff, and I will go you and I will explain you in detail. So let me open my pen. So this is an Intel processor, that it will be Intel. So Intel virtualization technology is being supported by third generation systems as well as second generation systems, that is Intel dual core, Intel i3 processors, i5 processor and i6 processors also. Definitely every computer supports. So this is the Intel chipset, and in this chipset, let us consider these two are the virtualization technological ports. VT, virtualization technology. So these two ports support virtualization technology. So this processor has two ports allocated to the virtual technology. So these two ports are kept busy with the hypervisor. So there is a need to off the hypervisor while installing haxm onto the system. So if you want to install haxm onto your system, you must turn off the hypervisor, reboot your system, and then install it again, and the installation will be completed. And I am 100%. I can assure you 100% because so this is my emulator running. You can see my emulator. See this, see this cool emulator. By yourself, you can see that my emulator is running. So this is my Android Studio. So if you are getting these sort of errors, first go to SDK manager. Click on SDK manager. Click on this Android in a bucket. This is called SDK manager. So click on SDK manager and install haxm onto your system at the initially. So this is the SDK manager. In this SDK manager, go to SDK tools and click on launch SDK manager. So there is no need of this. So just click off, click it off. This is SDK manager. SDK tools, launch SDK manager. So this is the SDK manager. So scroll to the bottom and click on Intel x86 accelerator emulator haxm installer. So you can just click it, and you can click install two packages, and these two packages get installed. So you can do it as the this procedure, and you can Google it out. So close this SDK manager right now. So there is no need for this. So close this also. So you can go on to the you can fire out your browser. So we can type intel-haxm download, click on intel-haxm download, and in this intel-haxm download, you can scroll it down to the bottom. So if you scroll to the bottom, you can have the different versions. So mine is Microsoft Windows 32-bit version. So mine is 64-bit version, and I can download this. I can download this intel-haxm, and before installing, first install. If you are getting this sort of error, first install. Refresh my system. It's getting so slow. So I have downloaded. Let me show you my downloads. So in my downloads, I have unpacked and see. I have intel-haxm. So I just transferred it to my F folder. Let's search for Intel. So haxm. intel-haxm. Just double click on this, and the installation process gets started. So if your installation is premature and it is getting the error like this, welcome to the Intel or hardware accelerator and the blah blah blah, all this stuff. If you are getting this error, then do as I say. So why you are getting this error is, I'm going to explain. So this is the Intel chipset. So virtualization technology is being utilized by the Hyper-V. So there is a need to load the kernel or software of haxm into this port, into this ports, so that you can utilize this ports. So physically you have to disable this virtualization technology. So to disable this virtualization technology, if you are getting this sort of error, if you are getting this sort of error, first you have to disable the virtualization technology. So search this search. Where is the search box? So go to search. Enter cmd command. cmd. So in this, click run as administrator. So click yes. So command prompt will open. So enter the code as I will tell you right now. bcdedit set hypervisor launch type off, and click enter. As soon as you click enter and reboot your system, so that the settings will apply, and then install again. You will not get this error, and then install it again, haxm, and you will never get the error. So this is the process. First you have to go to command prompt as a run as administrator. So you have to enter the code as I told you, bcdedit bcdedit. I'm going to provide the code at the bottom of my video definitely, and I will provide it on my blog site also soon. The complete solution. This is the complete solution. No video is available on internet about this solution. I found out. I read many articles and I found out this solution on my own. So that first thing you have to do is disable this Hyper-V. Reboot your system. Reboot your system is nothing but restart your system. So this go. So click on restart and your system get restarted. Uh, and then after restarting your system, install haxm again. I give you 100% assurance that your haxm will be installed into your system, and you will not get any conflict messages. Definitely sure. I have tried this. So this is my emulator. You can see it running, but you can see that emulator running. See this, my emulator is running. You can see that my emulator is running pretty good. And what should I have done this? There is no solution for this. I have tried many times to find this solution. To find the solution, it is not available on YouTube. I think this would be the first video to explain you the solution, complete solution. So brother, thanks for commenting so that I am making this video. I think if you are getting this error, first you directly download intel-haxm onto your system, or either you can download it from Android Studio as well. There are many videos. But I have found that this this error is not being displayed. This error complete solution is not provided by any video. You have to go to your command prompt, and you have to run your system as run as administrator. In your command prompt, you have to enter bcdedit space / set hypervisor launch type off. Reboot your system. After rebooting your system, you have to install again haxm, and in this time haxm will be installed completely onto your system and your emulator works. So this is the solution, 100% working solution. I think this will be the first video to explain you completely what is the error and how to resolve this. So virtualization technology is being supported by Intel i3 core processors, Intel TMs, Intel dual core processors, i5 processors and i6 processors. I have seen many commenting that it is not working for many systems because you didn't disable your Hyper-V before installing haxm. So first you have to disable Hyper-V, reboot your system, and then install haxm. After that you can again turn it on and off according to your need or necessity. So this is the solution, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you for commenting, bro. So this is the solution, bro. I have also faced this problem, and I read many articles as but I didn't find any particular solution. But however, I came across this solution, and my emulator is working fine. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. So this is the solution for haxm installation. So my emulator is working. You can see it pretty good, and this is my Hello World app. So it is working fine. So this is the solution, guy. Thank you. If you have any doubts regarding my video, or if you want me to make any technical videos, please comment at the bottom of my video. I will definitely help you. Okay. So this is the solution for right now. If you like my video, please click like. If you want to share my video, please share my video and sub my channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.